Hello, I think this is a great idea. Thanks for asking me. I do hope to get one of these accounts if I continue to teach at Eckerd. I'm an adjunct faculty. I don't know if you guys know that, but I've used lynda.com for years. It comes free in most of the Art Institute online classes, and I teach for them sometimes. One thing that's wonderful about lynda.com is that the faculty is it's very selective. Like they have, like if you want to learn motion graphics, the instructor, just worked on Avengers film titles. So they're kind of like master classes. Not all the classes are like that, but that is, definitely their goal. And the standards with their tutorials are very, very high. So if you have a budget for this, by all means, I I say yes, get it. It's wonderful. So I did want to bring up something that is slightly related, that is free. So I don't know if you guys are aware of this, but Adobe has a website that works like LinkedIn and Facebook called Behance. Free account. Professionals post their visual projects on here daily, and students can connect and follow them like they would on Facebook, and they can instant message people. But different colleges have galleries. I tried to get various students to make this a project, like do one for Eckerd, but nobody's taken me up on it. Maybe it's something you guys want to pursue or I could help you with. But anyway, it's a nice way for employers to go directly to the schools and see what's new. You can see Ringling College has one, and for example, students can post their work, post multiple images. Employers can say if they liked it. What's also interesting is they'll list how they made it, so it could help labs figure out what they need in there. If I go to the main page, you can see professional work. For example, here's something from people that did work for Perrier, and they show you the commercial, plus they break down the process and show you just individual frames. So anyway, it's tangentially related. I thought I'd share that with you as long as we're talking about social media and interaction for students. This is something that perhaps you guys want to put together. One more thing about it I wanted to show you, or all of the different categories that are represented. It's not just visual arts. They also have copywriting, I think like playwriting, and a lot of things that would interest Eckerd students. Anyway, I am off my soapbox, and thank you very much for sharing this, and I look forward to getting a more permanent account. Bye-bye.